we doing today, guys? We are near Hotel Catalonia in Puerto, Aventuras, Mexico. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here. Almost August 2025. This is a part of Laguna and Marina. And this part is a sea part. Look at these sea waves. It's a beautiful day here. Hope you enjoy it too. You can see the condominiums here. There is a Quinta Luna and more. If you want to buy property here or rent, our contacts are below. Just text us by WhatsApp. We'll be waiting for your questions and hope we will find the property of your dream here in Mexico.